Your name at first?
I'm Chomsha Angela. As per now, I'm in Saudi Arabia. I came to work here. I have 5 months in Saudi Arabia, and I can no longer work because I have myself problems. I got a feeling I have to go back to Uganda.
What is the problem?
There is no big problem.
What is the big problem? Inform them. What is the problem? What exactly is the problem?
The problem is that I got some spiritual problems, so I cannot stay this side. Spiritual is the problem.
We like to, if you don't like this sponsor, your now sponsor, we can find a new good sponsor for you. If you like.
No, I don't like any other sponsor. I just want to go back to my country.
Your sponsor is good or with you or not?
No, my sponsor has no problem. My sponsor is very, very good. I was also good, but the thing is about serving Jesus as my personal savior. I'm going to serve Jesus in my country, Uganda.
You take all your salary. No problem about your salary.
I took all my salary.
Thank you.